Welcome to this channel. Here you will find valuable information about hormonal balance, HB5, a revolutionary food supplement designed to help restore hormonal balance in your body for a healthier, fuller life. We know that hormones play a key role in many functions in the body, from metabolism and body weight to mood and energy. However, hormonal imbalances can occur due to a number of factors, including stress, poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, and others. That's where HB5 comes in. With a carefully developed formula, this natural supplement acts on the body in a comprehensive way, targeting the main hormones involved in the body's balance. HB5 is composed of high-quality ingredients, including plant extracts, essential vitamins and minerals, all chosen to support hormonal health effectively. In this channel, you will find fact sheets and benefits of HB5. If you are tired of struggling with weight problems, fatigue, mood swings, and other symptoms associated with hormonal imbalances, this channel is for you. Join us and find out how Hormonal Balance HB5 can be a true ally in your journey to health and wellness. How to take it for the best results? Well, to answer the question about how you take HB5, that part is pretty simple. You just need to take 3 small capsules a day, with or without food. And each bottle of HB5 contains a full 30-day supply. There is no subscription, no automatic shipping, and no tricks. You simply place your one-time order today, from this page. And HB5 works wonders in your life, and you feel happier, fitter, and more energetic. Or you get every penny back immediately. It's that simple. And all you have to do is click on the link I'm going to leave in the comments to start your journey to a healthier body. Subscribe now, and don't miss any of our informative videos. Get ready to learn, be inspired, and transform your life with the power of hormonal balance.